Fuck, man. We're surrounded by birds right now.
That sucks.
Right there and right there on the fence.
I hate birds, dude. They're just... I got birds.
Some birds right in front of me. I gotta care. Is there any goodies on the boat? Birds.
Son of us.
Birds. Ah, damn.
I think someone's coming up.
That was me.
No, it's not. There's people right here. I need you to turn around and engage with them. And shoot at them.
With what?
Do you have melee?
My axe?
Oh no. They just ran by me. I fucking hit them.
Here's some water goings-ons. Hey,
Good one.
I
Nice shot.
shoot.
That's the other one.
I'm pushing.
Okay. That's the other one. He's like almost dead, dude. Hit him. Behind you, Garrett. We traded. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thanks, guys. GG.
They're running.
Yeah. I just watched them run. They're right here.
Oh, I wish I knew my way around.
Got him.
One's dead.
Pushing me. Right there. Right in front of me. Did you trade?
Fucking terminal. We traded?
Did you trade? I said.
No, I don't think so. Watch out for that terminus. Watch out for the necro too. Necro! Right there, behind the tree. Right there. Yep. To your right. Oh, what? Oh! That's bleed ammo too. Shit. You got anything else to throw? Right there. Nice. Get that shit. Don't let it revive.
Oh wow! Shot through the wall. I thought I heard.